Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the news program. Tonight, we are going to be talking about the most relevant things and happening in our university campus. Let's start. Today, Sonia Vergel, professor of the University Life, course reported due to the lack of dedication by several students who are not entering virtual class. It will be necessary to demonstrate the attendance through shop where the registration of the student full name on the list is evidence of participants. This in order to keep track of attendance. This is all for today and thank you for listening.